This is how I set up my 401k contributions. So I have a pre-tax 401k and this after-tax 401k. I use this pre-tax 401k to fill up my elective bucket, after which I contribute to this after-tax 401k so that I can use the mega backdoor to roll that into a Roth IRA. I max out the pre-tax. I front load that at the first of the year to, it says 30,500 per paycheck, but I don't get paid that much per paycheck. It just takes out essentially my entire paycheck after HSA. And then that's actually filled up before I get some of my bonuses. And the bonuses, I'm really using this bonus after tax here, so I don't have to roll it over or do I think it's called an in-service transfer. I don't know, I have to call it Vanguard every time I want to do it. But after this elective bucket is filled, the remaining money up to, I believe it's a total of 66,000 that you can contribute to a 401k. 20,000 goes in from my contribution. My employer matches like 10,000, and the remaining 30 some thousand is then put into this after-tax 401k. It's actually the same 401k, but I have to call Vanguard and say, hey, I want you to move that after-tax money into my Roth IRA. That's how I set it up. I use the dollar amount rather than the percent amount, and this is important because with the percent amount, it doesn't do the cascading calculations correctly. So with the dollar amount, it will max out whatever I can to the elective bucket up to the limit, and then it will fall down to saying, okay, cool, now, say you have after-tax contributions, it'll do that amount. If you do a percent, it won't do those calculations correctly.